What's up YouTube? Today we're going to take a look at a new digital well-being experiment called ScreenHive. It was just released. Let's get into it. So ScreenHive works as a simple timer overlay. I'm going to go straight into the app on my phone, which you're going to see on the screen right now. And if I start screen time, it's going to show a tile that has a timer. It looks like a honeycomb. And that just keeps going up. So it basically just measures the time you spend on your phone, but it's also a screen overlay. So you're gonna see it if you open up an app. Sometimes it bugs out, in this case it doesn't. And yeah, you can move it around on your screen. There's not much interactivity apart from moving it around, so it's quite simple. That being said, I did experience some bug while trying to open up an app from a widget like Google Keep or Google Calendar. Also while trying to open up some apps or opening up an app for the first time. But apart from that, that's pretty much how it should work. If I go into settings or the ScreenHive app, I can pause that timer and it's going to be hidden. I can open it up back again and let's see if it works now. Still works. Well, that's pretty much it for the functionality. If you do remember the other video from my channel about screen stopwatch, it is quite similar. Let's open that one back up. So that one pretty much creates a wallpaper for your phone, which just counts up the time as well. You can see it when you're in an app, of course, because you're not looking at your home screen or lock screen anymore. That's where these two differ. But I can say from using it for around 10 minutes now, you can see the timer. It does get quite annoying to have that tile on your screen the entire time and having to move it around if you're trying to see something. So maybe a solution would be to have it transparent in some way. There could be other improvements, such as it changing color if you're having a longer session on your phone. So if you're spending more than 5 minutes, it could slowly become red or from gray to black. Something like that. I think that would be interesting. As it is quite simple. It does work for the most part. No advanced features, as I said. And some occasional bugs, it doesn't work perfectly. It also doesn't open up when you start your phone, so you have to start it manually, which is a point that is of course negative. So I have to actively think about restricting my screen time and starting that up in order to be able to use it, which is something I'm not always thinking about when I get out of bed. So there's room for improvement here. Maybe that's just on my phone, these bugs, and not showing up automatically. But that's been pretty much it for this digital well-being experiment. I think it does have some value because it does give you immediate feedback over something like activity bubbles, which I've been using actively for the last few months. So if I set that wallpaper, it's going to create a bubble which comes down from the top whenever I used my phone and ended a session. So if I open it back up, there's going to be a new bubble that is larger if my session has been larger. So if I spend 30 minutes on my phone, a huge bubble is going to come down and it's going to punish me for using my phone. And yeah, that does look cool, but I can't really estimate what time that refers to, as opposed to ScreenHive and Screen Stopwatch, which just exactly tells me the time I'm spending on my phone, and I could set a goal for myself of keeping it under an hour or something. That is something they could use to color it up as well. So as soon as you get over your target, it's going to turn red or something, or you're going to get some message that's going to make you feel bad. Anyways, that's been pretty much it for this video. I hope you liked it. Take a look at the other videos about digital well-being experiments on my channel, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.